Yeah, our mama hen hatched out chicken chicks. Our turkey hen had been sitting on some eggs, and I guess in the process of her laying her eggs, a chicken hen came along. So I think probably several chicken hens came along and left a few of their eggs in with her eggs. Chicken chicks hatch out in about 21 days and turkey poults hatch out in about 28 days, so there's about a week difference there. So when I saw her up off of that nest, you know, I knew that she probably would not go back and lay on them again because she had hatched out the chicks. And once that happens, it causes them to get up off the nest and want to take care of their chicks. I couldn't bear to leave that whole nest of eggs just laying there unhatched. And so I gathered them all up and I had to search up our incubator. So I got it all set up and got it up to temp. Oh my goodness, you guys, look. We have an incubator full of baby turkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, we have 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we have 7. I thought we only had 6. So yay. There was one small egg in here that I had questioned whether there was anything in it. Earlier this morning, it hadn't hatched yet, and it looks like it was probably that one right there. So yay! Come here, little guy. They are anxious to get out of there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose 2 of them, and I'm going to choose the 2 that seem to have hatched the earliest, which is this one definitely. And I'm going to put them in a box over here, and I'm going to grab one more. I guess this one right here. So I'm going to leave these little guys in here for a while. Oh, I'm sorry. Stay here. Oh, you guys stay in here, okay? I want to take just these 2 out to see what Mama Turkey will do with them. It's kind of chilly out there right now, and so I want to make sure that she's going to keep them warm and really take care of them. If she doesn't, then I'm going to set up a brooder in here. I'm a little nervous to put one in there because I'm afraid that she might get angry or not like it and hurt it or kill it. But I'm just going to take that chance because I would really like for her to raise them if at all possible. She hears them cheeping, so that's a good sign. Well, to me, that is a good sign. I think she's kind of going crazy because she hears the other one in the box cheeping, so I'm going to go ahead and put that one in there and see what she does. I don't really think we're going to have too much problem with her accepting her turkey poults. My biggest concern is whether or not the chicks actually accept them because they seem to be picking at them. But I think I'm just going to give it a little time and see what happens. Looks like she's settled in there quite nicely. Has them all tucked under her. Keeping them warm. Figure I'll leave these two out here for a few hours and then I'll go back in maybe and get a few more and bring out here. It is just a little chilly today and I don't want them to get too cold. I just want to make sure that she's going to keep them warm enough. Well, I came out here this evening to see how Mama Turkey is doing with the two babies I put with her. From what it looks like, they are underneath her and she has accepted them. Time to unite those chicks with their mama. Miley's gonna do the honors. Aren't they just so cute? They're wanting out so bad. Look at that. We have 5 little babies in here and 2 outside, so that's 7. All of them but that one egg right there hatched. She hears her babies. Oh, now she's up, so we'll be able to tell if the other turkeys are doing okay. There they are. They're all doing good. Look at that. Oh, the chicks still pick on the turkeys a little bit. Maybe if we get all the turkeys in there, it'll help. But she's been taking good care of them, so. I could just sit out here all night and watch them, couldn't you?
Yeah. So it's a little hard to watch them when they're under the mother.
They're all tucked in for the night.